मैं लिखती थी।
I wrote.
मैं नहीं लिखती थी।
I did not write.
क्या मैं लिखती थी?
Did I write?
क्या मैं नहीं लिखती थी?
Did I not write?
मैं क्या लिखती थी?
What did I write?
मैं क्या नहीं लिखती थी?
What did I not write?
तुम लिखते थे।
You wrote.
तुम नहीं लिखते थे।
You did not write.
क्या तुम लिखते थे?
Did you write?
क्या तुम नहीं लिखते थे?
Did you not write?
तुम क्या लिखते थे?
What did you write?
तुम क्या नहीं लिखते थे?
What did you not write?
हम लिखते थे।
We wrote.
हम नहीं लिखते थे।
We did not write.
क्या हम लिखते थे?
Did you write?
Did we write?
Did we write?
क्या हम नहीं लिखते थे?
Did we not write?
हम क्या लिखते थे?
What did we write?
हम क्या नहीं लिखते थे?
What did we not write?
वे लिखते थे।
They wrote.
वे नहीं लिखते थे।
They did not write.
क्या वे लिखते थे?
Did they write?
क्या वे नहीं लिखते थे?
Did they not write?
वे क्या लिखते थे?
What did they write?
वे क्या नहीं लिखते थे?
What did they not write?
वह लिखता था।
He wrote.
वह नहीं लिखता था।
He did not write.
क्या वह लिखता था?
Did he write?
क्या वह नहीं लिखता था?
Did he not write?
वह क्या लिखता था?
What did he write?
वह क्या नहीं लिखता था?
What did he not write?
वह लिखती थी।
She wrote.
वह नहीं लिखती थी।
She did not write.
क्या वह लिखती थी?
Did she write?
क्या वह नहीं लिखती थी?
Did she not write?
वह क्या लिखती थी?
What did she write?
वह क्या नहीं लिखती थी?
What did she not write?
मैं लिख रही थी।
I was writing.
मैं नहीं लिख रही थी।
I was not writing.
क्या मैं लिख रही थी?
Was I writing?
क्या मैं नहीं लिख रही थी?
Was I not writing?
मैं क्या लिख रही थी?
What was I writing?
मैं क्या नहीं लिख रही थी?
What was I not writing?
आप लिख रहे थे।
You was writing.
You were writing.
You were writing.
आप नहीं लिख रहे थे।
You were not writing.
क्या आप लिख रहे थे?
Were you writing?
क्या आप नहीं लिख रहे थे?
Were you not
आप
writing?
क्या लिख रहे थे?
What were you writing?
आप क्या नहीं लिख रहे थे?
What were you not writing?
हम लिख रहे थे।
We were writing.
हम नहीं लिख रहे थे।
We were not writing.
क्या हम लिख रहे थे?
Were we writing?
क्या हम नहीं लिख रहे थे?
Were we not
हम
writing?
क्या लिख रहे थे?
What were we
हम
writing?
क्या नहीं लिख रहे थे?
What were we not writing?
वे लिख रहे थे।
They were writing.
वे नहीं लिख रहे थे।
They were not writing.
क्या वे लिख रहे थे?
Were they writing?
क्या वे नहीं लिख रहे
Were
थे?
they not writing?
वे क्या लिख रहे थे?
What were they writing?
वे क्या नहीं लिख रहे थे?
What were they not writing?
वह लिख रहा था।
He was writing.
वह नहीं लिख रहा था।
He was not writing.
क्या वह लिख रहा था?
Was he writing?
क्या वह नहीं लिख रहा था?
Was he not writing?
वह क्या लिख रहा था?
What was he writing?
वह क्या नहीं लिख रहा था?
What was he not
वह
writing?
लिख रही थी।
She was writing.
वह नहीं लिख रही थी।
She was not writing.
क्या वह लिख रही थी?
Was she writing?
क्या वह नहीं लिख रही
Was
थी?
she not
वह
writing?
क्या लिख रही थी?
What was she writing?
वह क्या नहीं लिख रही थी?
What was she not writing?
मैं लिख चुका था। मैं लिख चुकी थी।
I had written.
मैं नहीं लिख चुकी थी।
I had not written.
क्या मैं लिख चुकी थी?
Had I written?
क्या मैं नहीं लिख चुकी थी?
Had I not written?
मैं क्या लिख चुकी थी?
What had I written?
मैं क्या नहीं लिख चुकी थी?
What had I not written?
आप लिख चुके थे।
You had written.
आप नहीं लिख चुके थे।
You had not written.
क्या आप लिख चुके थे?
Had you written?
क्या आप नहीं लिख चुके थे?
Had you not
आप
written?
क्या लिख चुके थे?
What had you written?
आप क्या नहीं लिख चुके थे?
What had you not written?
हम लिख चुके थे।
We had written.
हम नहीं लिख चुके थे।
We had not written.
क्या हम लिख चुके थे?
Had we written?
क्या हम नहीं लिख चुके थे?
Had we not written?
हम क्या लिख चुके थे?
What had we written?
हम क्या नहीं लिख चुके थे?
What had we not written?
वे लिख चुके थे।
They had written.
वे नहीं लिख चुके थे।
They had not written.
क्या वे लिख चुके थे?
Had they written?
क्या वे नहीं लिख चुके थे?
Had they not written?
वे क्या लिख चुके थे?
What had they written?
वे क्या नहीं लिख चुके थे?
What had they not written?
वह लिख चुका था।
He had written.
वह नहीं लिख चुका था।
He had not written.
क्या वह लिख चुका था?
Had he written?
क्या वह नहीं लिख चुका था?
Had he not written?
वह क्या लिख चुका था?
What had he written?
वह क्या नहीं लिख चुका था?
What had he not written?
वह लिख चुकी थी।
She had written.
वह नहीं लिख चुकी थी।
She had not written.
क्या वह लिख चुकी थी?
Had she written?
क्या वह नहीं लिख चुकी थी?
Had she not written?
वह क्या लिख चुकी थी?
What had she written?
वह क्या नहीं लिख चुकी थी?
What had she not written?
मैं सुबह से लिख रही थी।
I had been writing
Since morning.
since morning.
मैं सुबह से नहीं लिख रही थी।
I had not been
Writing.
writing since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से लिख रही थी?
Had I been writing this morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं लिख रही थी?
Had I not been writing this morning?
मैं सुबह से क्या लिख रही थी?
What had I been writing this morning?
मैं सुबह से क्या नहीं लिख रही थी?
What had I not been writing this morning?
आप सुबह से लिख रहे थे।
You had been writing this morning?
आप सुबह से नहीं लिख रहे थे।
You had not been writing this morning.
क्या आप सुबह से लिख रहे थे?
Had you been writing this morning?
क्या आप सुबह से नहीं लिख रहे थे?
Had you not been writing this morning?
आप सुबह से क्या लिख रहे थे?
What had you been writing this morning?
आप सुबह से क्या नहीं लिख रहे थे?
What had you not been writing this morning?
हम सुबह से लिख रहे थे।
We had been writing this morning.
हम सुबह से नहीं लिख रहे थे।
We had not been writing this morning.
क्या हम सुबह से लिख रहे थे?
Had we writing been this morning?
Had we been?
Had we been writing this morning?
क्या हम सुबह से नहीं लिख रहे थे?
Had we not been writing this morning?
हम सुबह से क्या लिख रहे थे?
What had we been writing this morning?
हम सुबह से क्या नहीं लिख रहे थे?
What had we not been writing this morning?
वह सुबह से लिख रहा था।
He had been writing this morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं लिख रहा था।
He had not been writing this morning.
क्या वह सुबह से लिख रहा था?
Had he been writing this morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं लिख रहा था?
Had he not been writing this morning?
वह सुबह से क्या लिख रहा था?
What had he been writing this morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं लिख रहा था?
What had he not been writing this morning?
वह सुबह से लिख रही थी।
She had been writing this morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं लिख रही थी।
She had not been writing this morning.
क्या वह सुबह से लिख रही थी?
Had she been writing this morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं लिख रही
Had
थी?
she not been writing this morning?
वह सुबह से क्या लिख रही थी?
What had she writing been this? What had she been writing this morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं लिख रही थी?
What had she not been writing this morning?
वे सुबह से लिख रहे थे।
They had been writing this morning.
वे सुबह से नहीं लिख रहे थे।
They had not been writing this morning.
क्या वे सुबह से लिख रहे थे?
Had they been writing this morning?
क्या वे सुबह से नहीं लिख रहे थे?
Had they not been writing this morning?
वे सुबह से क्या लिख रहे थे?
What had they been writing this morning?
वे सुबह से क्या नहीं लिख रहे थे?
What had they not been writing this morning?
Well,